Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajesh. This is my very first video. I have created this channel to share the knowledge on automation testing. In this video, I will be sharing an introduction about myself and the purpose of this channel. I am a software architect, over 20 years of experience in IT industry. Throughout my career, I have taken various roles such as design, development, unit testing, and automation testing using technologies like Java, JavaScript, and .NET. The IT industry is constantly evolving, and it can be challenging to stay relevant if you only know one or two technologies. To thrive, you need to keep learning new programming languages, frameworks, and tools. In this channel, I will be discussing a wide range of technologies and showing you how they can be applied to automation testing. I will be talking about the languages C#, .NET, Java, JavaScript with respect to automation testing. My content is designed to help the students, freshers, experienced professionals, and manual testers who want to transition into automation testing. So if you are looking to become an automation engineer, you are in the right place. Stay tuned for videos packed with tips, tricks, and insights to help you excel in automation testing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.